welcome back to the channel. It is update time for Jason's Series 1 RS Turbo, and we've just had a little nose at it, but I want to get on camera how much work has been done by Martin down here. Hi Jason.
Hi folks.
Hi, look at this. Living the Cosworth and RS Turbo life over here.
He's taking my wheels off. I've got to take them back for safekeeping.
Yeah, to stare at them as well.
I've also had a spare set, didn't I?
So they've been...
they're going on Martin's truck.
They're going on Martin's truck over there. We'll do that in another video one day. I mean, it's up here on the wall. You might have seen it. But we're going to start by showing everybody parts. Yeah, because there's a lot of parts. There's a lot of parts.
He's soon busy. We've already got some blasted and powder coated components.
Not bad. Straight away. Couple of days, mate. Couple of days.
So we are in the realms of new bolts and things have arrived. I've bought some Bilstein shock absorbers for the car. We're going to strip all this off, and we've found the rail code for the original sort of bluey grey, like battleship.
Okay, so it's going to be identical to factory. That's the whole idea.
Factory look, yes.
Yes.
So,
okay.
Yeah, I'm not into coilovers in the car. I want to just ride nice.
Yeah.
We've got the best shocks that are available on the market at the moment. You can't buy. You can't buy Conies anymore. You just can't buy them.
I actually have a set of these for mine that I'm going to do. That, yeah, we bought them at the same time, so that will be going on mine at some point.
So yeah, we've got some new rear ones on there. They're still on the car, but these front ones I brought down for him today to get them colour coded.
There is other bits here as well that have been done. Really. Look at that. It's like brand new, mate. Ready to roll. Love it.
It's like all the little parts that take the time in it.
Yeah, and showing you guys this is how anal you are going to be about it, is getting every single bit perfect, yes. Which I actually love. Hi Martin. Yeah. You've been busy, mate, well done. Yeah, you top done bits, mate. You've done, look. 3?
Not many.
No, some, at the most, yeah, not that many. But not, well, there's a lot going on here.
So these are spares that
spares, you're just going to do, okay, just in case, like it.
So every man that owns an Escort needs spare bits.
They do, because, I mean, we're not saying they break and it's not hard to find parts, but they break and it's hard to find parts. Let's go out to the car, because this is the bit that, I'm not going to lie, I was a little bit,
you were laughing at it.
I thought it was funny when we came in initially, that you were doing this, and then now, I'm not scared, it's just like, it's a lot going on in it. And Jason's like, yeah, it's fine. Martin's like, yeah, it's fine. Like, don't even matter. So, should we start at the back where, you're alright that it's all apart, yeah? Yeah, you've come to terms with it, I like that. We'll start, where's...
It's funny how he said he wasn't coming, but now he's here.
Isn't it funny? The last episode, he's like, I'm not going to come. I'm not good at it. How you getting on? Can I come down? Right, shall we start at the back, go to the front? Yeah, let's go to the back. So, a lot has happened, as you can see. There's nothing on the car, mate. There's nothing. So, walk us through from this part forward.
Well,
everything's come off. Yeah.
This is the main bit.
Yeah.
The reason of shall we? That's why.
Yeah. So
they've brushed over.
They haven't done that bit. No. Yeah. So the tank had to be dropped regardless to actually get the finisher after under there. Yeah. And when you did, you realised that they hadn't actually, because someone's restored this car again. We'll say someone's restored this car in
12,
what, mid 2000s was it? Yeah, like early 2000s. And yeah, they've obviously put the tank in and then tried to go around it, which
what they did
at the day is fine.
They did prohibit it from rusting any further.
Yes,
so no,
they did a good job, but that's something you want to, obviously if you're taking this much time to take everything out, you want to make sure that's right. Suspension, everything. Oh yeah, so the tank, not going to buy a new one,
no,
using the original, and yeah, you made it look very nice. It was black, remember, it was black the last time we saw it.
Black/gold.
Yeah, it was a bit, yeah. It was black and other stuff. Yeah, but that's pretty much ready to go, I suppose. Little bits and bobs to do.
Moon Dust Silver, which is the
colour, which is the actual colour.
Yeah.
In stock, ready to roll. On the floor, yeah, it's ready to roll.
Black. Shock absorbers, battleship grey, I like to call it. We've got a rail code for that.
Yeah, battleship grey.
New nuts and bolts to connect everything to. But the most important thing is now we're this deep. We now need to blast the floor and paint it.
Yes. So obviously dropping everything out is one thing. You're so excited for it, aren't you? You're like,
I want to see what's under here.
Yes.
I want to see what's covered up
here.
I want to see. You know, it looks, again, we keep saying that someone's done a bit of a rest on it.
Yeah.
We've already had I've had a pick to see what it looks like. So I'm very much
You're
hoping,
sort of-
I'm
yeah.
very much hoping that it looks lovely,
Mm.
and then we,
These aren't going to look happening.
we've got a tin and a mig, and
You can get under there and get bits done. It's fine.
the welding wire. And
But yeah, like as progress goes, unbelievable. Like the amount of stuff that's been taken off to then, you know, see where you sit underneath the car as well is really nice.
Most people will be happy to see their RS turbos look this solid.
Yeah, that was my next thing I was going to say. How solid it is under. I'm very surprised. Mine definitely won't be like this if I looked underneath mine. I'm convinced.
yeah, we've already got some completed parts.
Yeah.
Yeah, stuff's already
Next
happened.
thing for me is the front end off, get the rest of the shocks and springs off. The springs, the red springs that you saw probably in the last video, they're now in the acid. They're going gloss black.
Can we show the glossy acid?
Yes, we can show you the acid.
Oh, do you want to see some acid? Oh, here we go. Lovely.
Next job is
Go dancing.
Go dancing with the
brake
acid.
lines off, brake lines off, and then strip down front end, leaving engine.
The bit I've had apart.
Yeah, so this bit has already been out and cleaned and lovely.
We've had this out. We've
Yeah.
done this. It's not too bad up here.
No.
It's always looked reasonable here. And then
This
you look at
point,
the outer
yeah.
extremities. This one he's doing. Where's my turn on?
Oh, turn eye cut. That's dear on eBay, mate. You want to make sure that's somewhere, yeah, over there, tucked away. Yeah, I like that. He's actually tucked it nicely in something. That's good,
Cosworth
isn't it?
brakes.
He told me to treat it like it was my own.
Yeah, so I'm tucking stuff away.
Going back to colour of the calipers and the braking system.
What are they supposed to be?
They're meant to be like a cad-plated dusty silver. Like they're not
Because they're
very prominent.
oversprayed.
Yeah.
Sort
I
of
think
style.
we'll probably end up going for like a darkish silver, just
Yeah.
to keep it all looking quite nice.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
I
okay.
think the next time you come, you will cry.
Yeah.
Because you will cry. We'll get you crying on camera one day.
I think not cry because there'd be bad stuff underneath, cry because
It looks naked. Honestly, when I saw a picture of mine when it had no kit on it, I was like, how is that going back on? I don't understand. It was a very scary time, if
The
I'm
only
quite honest.
thing we have noticed with these are, I don't know if you can remember a little look,
Just up in there.
they're toughened on the inside.
Ah, okay.
So, quite hard to get off.
Yeah. That you'll have a fight with that when it comes to it then.
Yeah, much drilling and very, very cautious because if you wander off with the drill, suddenly your plastic's got a hole in it.
Yeah, and then no one needs that at all.
Behind here is a cheese grater.
wouldn't
Yeah.
They're already very.
I think the internet has already seen the cheese grater that was mine when I got it done. It was, I think there was about 18 holes per mud flat, which is just insane.
It's still very beautiful.
Yeah, it's very, very nice.
He's smiling.
I love my engine.
But progress-wise, the back is off, ready to roll, basically. Bits are blasted, stuff's on its way as well, new stuff's on its way.
Yeah.
So the next bit is, again, the front is just coming apart, basically.
Yeah.
Complete kit off, plastic welding bits up and all that sort of business. That's the plan, yeah.
Sorted. Just in talks with them at the minute because they're going to make all the repairs.
Yeah. Because honestly, these are so fragile, these kits, it's unreal. I ran over a bit of wood and snapped the front of mine after having it for a couple of months, so yeah, it was just horrible, mate, horrible times.
New handbrake cables, haven't you?
Handbrake cables
The old ones that
down here.
there's no point in putting them back on.
No.
You know, you make it all look nice and then you end up putting them.
And if new is available, why not?
That's right.
You're this
It's all
far,
got
you've
Ford-
got to keep going,
It's all
isn't it?
got Ford labels on.
Oh, of course it has, because you love that sort of stuff. You're going to keep all the boxes at home, wouldn't
You can
you?
leave all the labels on.
Yeah, so you can look at that label under
And then
there.
you
It's
can
like,
use-
oh, it's
okay,
well nice.
brilliant.
Yeah, it'd be great. I can't wait to just park it in my garage and look at the labels. Yeah, nice.
That's
Should we look at the acid while we're here? Acid. Let's go to the acid.
See, they're all flaky.
Yeah, get ya.
So they are
All
powder
the way
coated
down in
originally.
Okay.
They've been in about 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So by the 10 minutes, all that will come off and they'll be back to normal.
round. Everyone says it sits well, so
Yeah.
they're the ones.
Keep it as is, but just original
People are
in.
going to be so confused. They go, "Oh, it's black." Yeah, that's
Like,
right.
yeah, because I've got
They're,
them painted because I'm in.
Ford ones.
Yeah, well, just because.
Made by Martin.